Okay, so progress report lang. This is, we'll check all our batch 1 EV arc. Okay, so today is November 3, 2025. Batch 1. Okay. So I'm very happy to see mga new shoots sa ating trees. So this is batch 1. So batch 1, cleft grafting ginawa dito for all our batch 1 trees. Okay. Lampas na ng waistline ko tong height nito eh. Okay. This one's a bit shorter pero makapal to kasi dalawa yung ano niya eh, main branch niya eh. So medyo makapal pero a bit shorter siya compared sa iba. This one naman hindi pa masyado kasi yung rootstock niya medyo ano eh, medyo maliit. So at least we see some new shoots here. Okay lang. Okay. Batch 1 pa rin. Ito mga waistline ang height niya. So, batch 1. Yung lugar nito medyo shady so mas mahina yung tubo niya. Pero at least we're seeing new shoots naman. So okay pa din. Next. So batch 1. So the plan here is to cut this coconut tree kasi hindi pa siya productive, to give way to this EV arc jackfruit. So here's another one. Okay. Okay, batch 1. Batch 1, medyo maliit kasi maliit yung rootstock. So ito yung namatay last week. So ayan, batch 1. Dati mahina ang tubo nito eh, pero after we cut down the lanzones dito bumilis na. So this is the last one for batch 1. Okay. So okay pa din. Okay, so this is batch 2. Ito mga ano na to, in-arching na tong grafting nito. So batch 2. Okay. Medyo matagal itong tumubo eh, pero if you can see now, it's starting to grow new shoots na siya. Okay. So continuation pa rin ng batch 2. Ito yung nahulugan ng ano eh, ng dahon ng nyug eh. So sayang talaga to. Malaki na to eh. Ayan oh. It was really healthy tapos nahulugan. So I think it's not gonna survive. So I don't know what's the best thing to do here. So I think try ko iiwan natin tong rootstock niya kasi buhay pa tong rootstock eh. Yung na-damage kasi nito yung dugtong. So let's see if pwede pa tayo mag cleft grafting dito. Huwag na lang nating bunutin. Hanap na lang tayo ng sayon and then dugtungan na lang natin. Okay, so next one. This one is doing really well. So I'm so happy to see this. This one, batch 2. Okay, so ito mataas na to eh. Sobra na sa hips ko eh. Another batch 2. Ito, another batch 2 pero mahina yung tubo. So continuation pa rin ang batch natin, nasa ibang part naman ng farm to. So this one, nung nag-cut kami ng lanzones dito, actually yung main trunk niya, ito, natamaan siya eh. So namatay yung main trunk, naputol. So ito yung parang secondary branch niya. Maliit pa to dati, but since namatay to, biglang lumaki. So mabuti na lang na iwanan tayo ng side branch. Yun na yung magiging primary branch natin ngayon. Okay, so move on to the next batch 2. Ito batch 2 natin. Okay, kasi yung batch natin 17 lahat yon. Okay, it's doing good. And then another batch 2. Yan, tuloy-tuloy yan doon. This is batch 2. Okay. Doing good naman. But we have another one here up to the right. Doing good as well. This one, di pa masyado makabuelo kasi nga nasa ilalim to ng coconuts eh. So, sige lang. And another one to the right. Yan. Medyo short. But it's continuous naman yung development. So, yung mga nandito sa baba, medyo ang mahina ang tubo. Like nito. Marami kasing dito dati. Like this avocado, mataas dati. So pinutol namin yung main trunk. Nag-iwan lang kami ng isang sanga to give way to this EVR. Last week lang namin pinutol to. So moving on to the next. So it's starting to grow na. Starting to develop, new shoots coming out. And then this last two for batch 2. Ayan. And then another one. The reason kung bakit mabagal to sila kasi it's under mahogany eh. May mga mahogany kasi dito. You can still see pinutol namin mga like a month ago or mga few weeks ago. So ngayon sunny na yung area niya, pati yung iba. So I think it will have a faster development soon. Okay, let's move on to batch 3. So batch 3 is a mixed bag. Merong magaganda na, like this one for instance. See, this super healthy na. Kasi yung rootstock nito makapal eh. That's why maganda yung growth niya. Okay, dami ng shoots oh. Pero you can see the difference nito sa ibang kasamahan niya. Okay, this one is part of batch 3. Yan. Naantay pa natin ang development nito. Batch 3, see? May konting shoots. Ito yung parang stunted yung growth eh. Actually yung seedling pa lang to, hindi siya masyado healthy. So sana mabuhay pa. And here's the side. So then, pero meron siyang maliit na shoot. So hopefully start na ng development na. This one, batch 2 also. Okay, so it's beginning to develop. Yan, may shoots na. So I'm really happy to see some shoots here. Okay. And another casualty. Kasi nag-harvest tayo ng nyog today. Sorry, the other day. And tinamaan yung ano niya eh, sayon niya eh. So nabali. So hindi rin nag-survive, sayang to. So as I mentioned earlier doon sa batch 2, I think we can keep the rootstock and then we'll try to graft a new sayon. So sana mag-work. Let's see. Okay, so continuation ng batch 3. Ito yung mga last na mga naitanim for batch 3 kasi hindi sila sabay-sabay eh. So in my previous video pinakita ko to yung planting ng mga new aviary jackfruit seedlings. So this is one of them. Wala pang development. Tingnan natin yung kasama niya. So this one also wala pa. Antay lang tayo. And then another one. Okay. Ito hopefully tuloy-tuloy na yung shoots niya. And the last one for batch 3. Puntahan natin. So this is the last one for batch 3. Okay. Looks healthy naman to. So I hope tuloy-tuloy lang. So the plan is, since after clearing out 3 big durian trees, mga native, we're going to purchase another batch of Eviarc. Probably kaya na another 20 na naman. Okay, so that's our update for today. I'll see you next time.